Welcome to the Accountancy Learning AAT Sample Paper Debriefs. In this video, I'll take you through the Level 3 Tax Processes for Business, Sample Paper 2, Task 2. This will be based on Finance Act 25. So we're told that TAS Trading is a VAT registered and sells a mixture of standard rated, reduced rated and zero rated supplies. We're asked to complete the table to show the VAT and net amounts for the following supplies. Round down your answers to the nearest penny. So we've got the gross amount here of 420, and we need to work out what the net and VAT amount is for the two different suppliers. So at standard rate then, we would take our gross amount and divide it by 120, or you can divide by 1.2 if you prefer decimals, and that will give us our net amount. We then multiply that amount by 20%, which is the standard rate, to get our VAT of 70. And when you add those two together, we get the 420. Now for reduced rate, you're still going to take the 420, but this time you're going to divide it by 105, and that will give you your net amount. And multiply it by 5% this time, that's the reduced rate. And again, you've got 420 is the 420 gross amount. TAS Trading offers a customer a prompt payment discount if the payment is received within 7 days. The customer is not VAT registered. Identify the effect on output tax of the customer taking advantage of the prompt payment discount. So the output tax is what we as a business have to pay over to HMRC on the total sales. So if we reduce it by a prompt payment discount, it means that the output tax will decrease. TAS Trading made the following sale on the 23rd of May. Standard rated goods for £120 plus VAT of 24 and zero rated goods for 96. The customer has requested an invoice from TAS Trading, and a simplified invoice is issued. Identify which two of the following amounts must appear on the simplified invoice issued to the customer. So there's something in the reference material that will help us here. So it must have the detail of the supplier, the tax point, a description which identifies the goods or services supplied, and then for each applicable VAT rate, the total amount payable, including VAT. So this is the bit that we're going to be looking at. So zero rated goods for 96 means we've got to show 96 on there. And then we've got standard rated goods for 120 plus the VAT of 24. So we've got to do including VAT. So it'd be 144 would be the other amount that needs to appear. And then lastly, identify when TAS Trading must issue an invoice to the customer. Reference material 10 this time. Time limits for issuing the VAT invoice is 30 days. So we can tick option 3. And that completes task 2.